Okay. Lord have mercy. Oh, well, good then, good. You going to ride her? Well, good then. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Good. Well, good. Perfect, perfect. Sounds like it. Well, hallelujah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. What that he had? Well, he had crackers, and he had what was that? What were we eating there, Jerry? Crackers and
jerky.
Jerky, and then there's other items. Jerry said, "I got all kinds of stuff to eat." You know me. Coffee was a bomb. You know me. Give me the coffee. All right, all right, all right. Thanks. Yeah.
Hey, Johnny.
Y'all have fun. You getting any? God dang, we better pull her down the ways, right? Jerry, just get out of it.
I'm watching it.
Yeah, because this thing here will be dry here.
Yeah, I know it.
You see that pole right there sticking out of the water? That telephone pole? I've been watching some fish action over there off of that other bank, almost mid. I don't know what it is. I saw one big old tail. I figured it was a gar, big old gar. I'll put that bow line out and we tie on to that pole if you want to. If you want to tie to it, I'll tie up to it. Have you fished that corner down there with me before where the water goes around there? That's always a hot spot at times. The water just ain't moving. It ought to start. I've done that. That boat to go to Hong Kong.
Yeah.